Like in Oracle, we have this rollback command, right? Similarly, for SQL, do we have such? And also, this rollback works only for delete statements or even for drop.
See, first of all, practically speaking, when I used rollback in MySQL, although it is said that rollback is there, but I couldn't recover the things. Okay, so let's try this. Let's suppose I have done a rollback operation here. So let's try rollback, 0 rows affected. So I have recently deleted a database. At least on database, it has no effect. Show databases. Okay, your school, sorry, that 8 a.m. batch is still not there. But let's suppose I go to school, okay, and show tables. Of course, the table is not there, but I will again create a table. Right, create table command for this table. Okay, so I will use it. Control C. A table is created, and if you want, I will insert the records also. Okay, so select star from student. Okay, if suppose I use delete command, so delete from student where roll number is equal to 1. Okay, and if I say roll back, 0 rows affected. You see here, this rollback didn't work.
One more clarification, Amal.
Yes,
Is it the rollback is not working because the auto commit is not set to 0 in MySQL?
auto commit is not set to 0. Maybe we will just try here. In my SQL, how to roll back deleted data. Hmm. Only if transactional environment was used. अच्छा, इसके लिए we have a prerequisite. You must start the transaction command before performing the delete operation. Okay. Okay. First, you have to start transaction. Let's try this. This is something new. Okay. Okay, let's try this. We will get to learn something new. Suppose this is your data. Huh? Select star from student. Okay. This is your data. So it is saying that you start transaction. Okay. Transaction is started. And now I will hit the delete query where roll number is equal to, let's say, 2. Okay. And you see here, roll number 2 is deleted. And if I say roll back, right, 2 has come back here. You see, when I hit the rollback, the 2 is there. It was deleted earlier,
Yeah.
right? So you need to start transaction. Then only it is possible. Okay. So yes, this would be our nice learning. So in case if you want to roll back the data, what you have to do is you have to start the transaction and delete anything and then say rollback. So it will undo the delete operation. Okay, if you are satisfied with the delete, then, and if you don't want to roll back it again, you can finalize the changes by commit. Okay, right. So lastly, you can say commit. When you will say commit, the changes will not be rolled back again. Okay, for example, if I just do delete again, so let's say delete from student where roll number this time, let's delete 3. Okay, and now 3 is deleted, and if I say commit and then I say roll back, and if I say select star from student, you see here 3 is not roll back. Why? Because I've committed it. Okay, understood this?